The water purification system here is state-of-the-art, ensuring every bottle meets the highest quality standards. The activated carbon filters are essential. They catch any remaining organic impurities before the water moves to the syrup stage.
The UV output on line 4 is fluctuating slightly. It's still within the acceptable sterilization threshold. Maintain current speed.
The system automatically regulates the flow. We just monitor the levels to ensure peak efficiency.
The levels in tank 4 are optimal.
I've logged it on the tablet. We are clear for transfer.
The automated weighing systems are the heart of the operation, ensuring precise measurement of every ingredient before it moves to the mixing vats.
Checks complete on mixing station 7. Levels are accurate and approved for release.
Looks like the temperature stabilized right at 55.
Perfect, we can continue the run.
Make sure the labeling machine is calibrated before the next shift arrives.
Yes, the flow rate is optimal. We are clear for the next batch.
At the heart of the bottling line, technicians meticulously record batch data, ensuring every bottle meets the stringent...
Everything running smoothly on this line, Maria.
Good. The capping machine needs monitoring. Pressure is fluctuating slightly.
Shift change in 5 minutes on line 3.
Acknowledged. We are maintaining full speed.
The final syrup tank is sealed, ensuring the perfect mixture for the bottling process.
We're clear on the syrup line. Mike, start the carbonation sequence now.
Here we see the integration of the CO2 cylinders, constantly monitored by the team to ensure consistent quality control throughout the bottling process.
The blend ratio is stable at 4.2.
Noted. We'll monitor the flow rate for the next shift.
We're maintaining a consistent bricks level post-carbonation.
And the fill levels are spot on. Looks good for the handover.
Check the pressure on the carbonation chamber.
It's steady. We're ready for the next run.
We're good to go on the capping machine.
All right, I'll take over monitoring for the next hour.
Here at the Coca-Cola facility, purified water and syrup are precisely combined before the carbonation process begins.
The process begins with purified water and precisely mixed syrup. As the CO2 is injected, the liquid
The pressure on line 3 is running high. Keep an eye on the gauges.
Copy that. We'll monitor it closely.
We're hitting maximum capacity on the carbonation unit.
Keep an eye on the gauges, but maintain the current speed.
The process control systems ensure perfect carbonation levels before the final capping sequence.
Keep an eye on the pressure gauge over there. We're almost at shift change.
Roger that. Line's running smooth so far.
We're ready for the handover. Anything on the new labeling machine?
Minor alignment issue earlier, but it's resolved.
We're running at full capacity on the blow molder. Ensure the syrup mix ratio remains consistent for the next hour.
The carbonation levels are stable.
Check the seals on that batch before packaging.
Here in the washing section, purified water jets ensure every bottle is perfectly sterilized before moving to the filler.
Check the pressure on line 3. It's fluctuating again.
I see it. Adjusting the flow rate now.
We're running smoothly at full capacity. Keep an eye on the pressure valves over there.
The pressure on line 3 is stabilized. We are ready for the shift change.
Copy that. I'll take over monitoring the flow rate now.
We need to adjust the flow rate on line 4. Maintenance needs to check the gauges on the syrup tanks immediately.
All systems green. Ensure the labeling machines are stocked before the next cycle begins.
Shift change in 5. Make sure line 4 is clear. Roger that. Almost done here.
The purified water is mixed with the secret syrup and carbonated. The bottles are then rapidly filled, capped, and labeled.
All right, team, the line is running at 90% capacity. Keep a close eye on the capping mechanism.
Roger that. Checking pressure levels now.
The carbonation process is precise, ensuring every bottle is filled and capped at incredible speed, 24 hours a day.
We're clear for the next run. Keep an eye on the carbonation. Roger that. Make sure the gauges are logged before you go.
We're running smoothly at 600 BPM. Keep an eye on the pressure gauges.
Roger that. We'll take over the packaging check now.
Shift production is stable at 95%.
Check the carbonation levels on line 3 before break.
Systems check is green across the board. Maintain current speed until the next shift takes over.
The precision filling mechanism ensures zero spillage, maintaining sterility as the carbonated beverage enters the bottles at high speed.
The purified water and syrup mixture is precisely injected under pressure. Then, the bottles are swiftly
The carbonation process is critical, ensuring the perfect fizz before the bottles are capped and labeled for distribution.
The foam control system ensures precise carbonation, a critical step before the bottles are rapidly capped and labeled. Scene 86. Overfill protection system active.
The pressure on line 3 is stabilizing.
Good, make sure the inspection cameras are calibrated for the next run.
We're at peak efficiency. Ensure the capping alignment stays precise until the next handover.
The capping machine secures the iconic red tops. Here, quality control performs a crucial.
The factory operates non-stop. The automated systems, like this cap rejection mechanism, are monitored.
We've got a slight issue on the labeler. Keep the feed rate steady.
Check gauge 7, the pressure's fluctuating. Looks good, handover complete.
Ensure the labels are perfectly aligned. We're increasing the flow rate on the next shift.
Send the relief team to line 4. I need these gauges monitored closely until the next shift arrives.
After meticulous washing, filling, and capping, the iconic labels are applied. Every single bottle is then scanned.
From massive mixing tanks to high-speed bottling lines, precision engineering ensures every Coca-Cola meets the highest standards.
The bottles are rapidly sorted by precise mechanical dividers, ensuring a flawless formation before packaging.
Once grouped, the high-speed applicator wraps the bottles, preparing them for the heat tunnel and ensuring a perfect seal.
Check the pressure on line 3.
Looks stable, but watch the heat sink.
Shift looks good, making the handover now. All right, I'll take over quality checks.
The automated stacking system ensures maximum efficiency, handling over 500 cases per hour with pin.
We need to clear row 4 before the next batch arrives. Make sure the labels are facing out.
Here we see the final stage. The stretch wrap machine securing the pallets.
Keep the line moving, and we're almost at target for the shift.
Make sure the swing shift knows about the pressure drop on the syrup tanks.
Copy that. I'll update the log.
The factory runs nonstop, 24 hours a day, ensuring millions of bottles are perfectly filled, capped, and labeled with precision.